how to use Cash App in Africa. So if you're on a trip or live in Africa, here's what we can do. As you can see, this works in any country. I have access to the Cash App application. I can request money, I can pay, and I'm not in the States currently, I'm from Europe. So here's how we do it. Now the first thing that you want to do is get NordVPN. This is mandatory, it's required, otherwise it will not work. So you want to go to the link. I'll add it at the top of the description of this video and as a pinned comment, so you can just scroll down and click on the link and you will get NordVPN. And after you have signed up and downloaded it, it is going to look like this. Now what you want to do is connect to the United States. This is very important, like I said, otherwise it is not going to work. So connect to the United States here, and after you have connected to the United States, you will just go to Google and Google search for Cash App BlueStacks. Okay, click on the first link that pops up here and it's going to take us to the official BlueStacks website, and you want to click on Play Cash App on PC. After you have clicked on Play Cash App on PC here, what we want to do is just install this application. So we're going to click on it just like that, and I'll click on yes. And what this is going to do, it's going to download Cash App on your computer or laptop. So click on install, this should say install, and you will have Cash App on your PC like this. It's gonna appear with a desktop icon just like that, and you can use all of the features of Cash App in Africa. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.